On a field trip, 1/4 of the people are adults. Which number line has a point at the fraction of people on the field trip who are adults? Now, this is 1/4. And if we're looking at a number line for 1/4, we're going to be between 0 and 1. Now, what we do to show 1/4 is we split the area between 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts. So here's going to be 2 equal parts, and then more equal parts by splitting those. Now, once we have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts, 1/4 of it is one jump from 0 to 1. That would be 1/4. So you represent 0, not u. You are one jump when we have our number line split into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So u, b are going to be correct. Your 1/2, also known as 2/4, and your 3/4. So the only one that makes sense is B.